Послушаем простой рассказ на английском. It is raining outside. I got all wet because I didn't take an umbrella. But it's warm outside. Therefore, after the rain, there will be a rainbow. The rainbow consists of 7 colors. The red color is at the top. This color is like the color of a tomato. A little lower is orange. An orange is also orange in color. Below it is yellow. The sun is also yellow. I really like the green color. This is the color of life. Light blue color, like the color of the sky. Blue is my son's favorite color. Purple is the color of lilac. Послушаем другой рассказ. My best friend's name is Maria. We study at the same university. I've known her for 4 years. If you see her, you'll like her at once. She is a pretty girl of 21, with long dark hair and a slim figure. But I like her not for her beauty. Maria is very smart. She is one of the best students in our group and almost always knows the answer to the teacher's questions. She is a very diligent student and is always ready with her homework. Maria is a very good friend. She is eager to help when her help is needed. When I have problems, she is the first to comfort me. I also try to help her and to support her in any situation. We share a lot of our secrets. I am sure her advice is the best one because she understands me. It seems to me we've known each other for ages. Maria's family is also very nice. She lives with her parents. They seem to be a very friendly family. We have the same hobbies with Maria: music, dancing, and cooking. We enjoy parties, so we often organize them for our friends. Then, we cook something tasty, watch TV, dance, and have a lot of fun. Послушаем другой рассказ. He woke up. He got out of bed. He went to the restroom and took a shower. The water was cold at first. He made it warm. He took 10 minutes to shower. He stepped out of the shower. The floor became wet. He grabbed a towel. He wrapped it all around him. He went to his bathroom mirror. He saw his reflection. He looked handsome. He had grown facial hair. It was time for him to shave it. He grabbed the shaving cream and poured some in his hand. He spread the shaving cream around his face. He grabbed the razor and started shaving. He cut himself by accident. It started bleeding. He was not hurt. He washed his face and applied aftershave. He put a Band-Aid on his cut. The cut stung him a little. He dried himself and started getting ready for work. Послушаем другой рассказ. Today, I woke up very early. Because my dog woke me up. I didn't want to get out of bed. But she pulled the blankets off me. I felt cold, but I continued to lie on the bed. Then she started tickling my feet with her nose. I pulled my legs closer to me. But my dog was not going to give in to me. My dog brought a toy. It was a rubber pig. My dog started mashing the pig in his mouth. The pig began to grunt loudly. But I didn't move and lay with my eyes closed. Then my dog ran to the window and barked loudly. I thought something had happened. I quickly got up and went to the window too. Nothing happened there. My dog looked at me and happily waved his tail. "You are cunning and smart," I said, and went for a walk with my dog.